Have you seen the movie Steel Magnolias? It contains my favorite gal, Dolly. She plays a character named Truvy, and she's telling her friends all about something she made called Cuppa cake. It's so easy. You don't even need to write down the recipe. Cuppa cake. Cup of flour. Cup of sugar. A cup of fruit cocktail, including the juice. Just mix that all together and pour it in a baking dish. And you just bake it at 350 until golden bubbly. That's about 35 to 45 minutes. For this recipe, I'm using Del Monte fruit cocktail. Did you know that Del Monte came from the Monterey area of California? Yes, there used to be a Del Monte hotel there, and a company there made a special type of coffee that they served at the hotel. Later, that same company started selling peaches, canned peaches, and this was in the 1892. And you won't believe it, that company expanded and included other companies, and they made many fruits and vegetables inside of cans. And it became the Del Monte Corporation. I love learning things. How about you? Well, there it is. Serve it over ice cream. It cuts the sweetness. Cuppa cake, also known as fruit cocktail cake. Very comforting, tastes wonderful. You can't beat this. It's only 3 ingredients. It's sweet and fun. Thank you, Truvy. Great recipe. Thanks for watching me here on Jim's Kitchen. See you next time. I've been teaching myself how to juggle with clocks. My friends say I have too much time on my hands.